Hello, friends. So we're finishing up this week with our construction and what we've been learning about community workers, construction, and the tools that they use. So this book, I thought we would read Construction Site. That's the title of this book. The author and the illustrator is by Jill McDonald. So Jill McDonald wrote the words and drew the pictures. So here's the front cover of our book. Here is the spine of our cover. And here's the back of our book. So let's jump into this book. Clank, vroom, boom. What's that noise? We're at the construction site. Put on your hard hat and let's go see. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their heads. There they are. Push! A bulldozer clears the land, moving rocks and rubble out of the way. Tracks around the wheel help it crawl on uneven ground. So here's the big bulldozer. The big metal plate in the front is called a blade. So this is the blade of the bulldozer. The dump truck hauls rubble away to a dumping site. The box at the back tilts to pour out all the things inside. Tip! The largest dump truck in the world is so big you need stairs to get into it. Wow, that is a big truck. You need stairs just to walk up and get behind the wheel or sit down. That is a lot. Everything is cleared, and it's time for the excavator to do its work. Scoop! It has a long arm with a bucket at the end, which makes big holes in the ground. An excavator is also called a digger. Munch, munch! It's time for lunch. The food truck has rolled up to the site and everyone is hungry. What will you order? A food truck, by the way, is a restaurant on wheels. So what will you order at the food truck? It's got apple, ice cream, noodles, pizza, watermelon. It's got a lot of yummy food. Roll, roll. The heavy drum on the steamroller slowly revolves, flattening everything below. Steamrollers make the ground firm and strong. Takes all of that dirt and rocks, crushes it, and makes it like this. Spin! What's in the back of this mixer? It's concrete. The large drum goes around and around to keep the concrete wet until it's ready to pour. Once the concrete is poured, it will take a few hours to harden, which means for it to get hard. Honk! The delivery truck arrives, stacked high with things the builders will need. How many wheels can you count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wheels. Big trucks often need lots of wheels to support all the weight they carry. Look at all of this stuff. They have pipes, cones, tiles, cement blocks, bricks, a lot of things. Cling! A crane is used to lift heavy things and move them to the right spot. It has a long arm called a boom. That's a boom. Beep! This little forklift can lift and move big boxes. It's called a forklift because the steel forks that slide under heavy objects, which is this right here. That's why it's called a forklift. Vroom! Dirt flies as the trencher digs pits for pipes and cables that will go underground. The trencher has sharp teeth that work together to break up the hard ground. There it is right there. Putting those cables in these pipes below the ground. Woo woo! The whistle blows and the day is done. But the construction workers and their big machines will be back in the morning. The end. Hope that you enjoyed this book today. After reading this, please tell me, what is your favorite machine that was mentioned in this book? Hope that you enjoy your evening. Bye, friends.